Well, hello, it's Pastor Center, your blue-collar preacher. Just want to give you an update on the little house on the Bluffs out here in Chugwater, Wyoming. But anyways, we did a lot of framing here this weekend, so we did most of our work on the inside, and we're going to show you what we did on the inside. So stay tuned to the little house on the Bluffs. Okay, we bought our dryer vent at Habitat for $2. If you're out here in a rural area like we are, you need to get one with a little cage on it that you can just take off in case you get lint in or whatever. We're trying to keep the little critters out and the little pests out. Yeah, it might get a wasp nest or something in there. Have to clean out once in a while, but you don't want mice and chipmunks or whatever, groundhogs, prairie dogs, whatever, going up in through your dryer vent. So now we're going to install ours underneath the jet up here, just right above my data pipe where we came up from the big house with the data pipe. Alright, I got these two pipes. I'm going to go right in between them and bring my dryer vent just right on this side of the plumbing. Touch up a little spot here. Caulk around it. Keep the pests out. Make sure you're at least 15, 16 inches off your wall. It's going to be, your dryers are average 30 inches wide, 15 to the center of the duct, but we still got to put our board on, so that's going to put us about 15 and a half. So that's perfect. got all the gussets on. Now we're just nailing everything together. We got the home plates on both sides and the lower gussets on both sides. We're just making everything solid, so we're putting a bazillion nails in it.